The tool moves in cutter compensation mode with G41 to the left along the contour. The first contour point is approached with G1, a linear motion. The indentations in the contour are created using circular arcs, counterclockwise with G3 and clockwise with G2. Next, a circular pocket with a depth of 9 mm is milled. The G73 cycle ensures the material is removed in multiple small increments for even chip removal. Then, a rectangular pocket is milled with G72, 6 mm deep. Again, the tool works step by step from the inside out. Next, a freeform path is machined. First, 3 straight lines with G1, followed by a clockwise circular arc with G2, another straight line with G1, and another clockwise circular arc with G2. To finish, a final G1 command closes the path. On the return, the arcs switch to counterclockwise, so G3 replaces G2. Now we proceed with finishing. Instead of programming the outer contour again, we simply repeat it with G23, saving time and effort. The same applies to the pockets and the milling path, called G23, and finishing is done. Finally, centering, drilling, and threading.